Now, what we are going to cover is a little bit overview of the front end so we can know what we are actually doing. We are basically maintaining configuration for for this document VA01. Okay, and for this, what we need is sales org, distribution division, sales office, sales group. So all of this falls in enterprise organization or enterprise structure where we configure company code, purchase org, plant, sales org, distribution channel, division, sales office, and sales group. Okay. And order type that we see over here is basically you attach sales org with a certain type of orders, order types. Like for example, standard order. I'll take protein E74. Sprays F0 division. Division sales office. Can have multiple, but it's actually picking up the one that is integrated already at the back end. Sales group. We've already created all of this. Okay. Continue. And we can make our standard order. Okay. So we will be configuring some more configuration for these fields for material segments. Okay. Then sold to party, we have to actually build and create sold to party also. And we'll also configure shipping, procurement, and other categories. Okay. So we'll have to see that. Only then we will be able to save it. Okay. Right now we don't have any sold to party. But for standard order, we have already created all of this and we are in place. Okay. So next that we have created all this, second. Sales group is done, division is done. Okay. PRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, logistics, logistics general. We have already done this. Shipping point. Define, copy, delete, check shipping point. Okay. Shipping points. Okay. New entries. T74S. 74 for time group by shipping point. AE Pinpoint is also done. Okay. Pinpoint is done. Next part is assignment. Sales org for company code. Let's see, we have assigned the company code or not. Sales org P74. Okay, it's already done. So I believe we don't actually need to go into this. We've already done this. And the next part is we've already set up the sales area, sales office, and sales group also. Plant is also done. So we've done quite a lot. Okay. Now we just have to assign. Okay, we just have to assign logistic execution, assign shipping point to plant. Our plant is T74. In T74, we will assign T74. Okay, T74D, copy, save, enter. This is also assigned. This is also done. Okay, next is PRO. Cross application, because now we'll configure the customer part. Okay, and the customers first were created in financial accounting through accounts receivable and payable customer accounts, master data, preparations, account groups. So let's create an account group. Now, account group can be, what is an account? What is a group? Account can be your foreign customers, your local customers, your one-time customers, your regular customers, your seasonal customers. These are accounts. Okay. E74 regular customer. Okay. E74 regulars, FI account group. Okay. This is not one time. Okay. And we can change the field status over here. Now, what is field status? Whenever we create the master data, some fields that we see that pop up and displayed, those can be made either required, hidden, or displayed. Okay. We don't want this. Suppress settlement data, suppress address, optional, and postal code. Let's keep that optional for a while. Company code data, account management. Over here, we have reconciliation account and other fields which are optional from the finance point of view. Okay, so we'll save it. So we can remove, display, hide, or make required as per our business process. So we have T74 regulars, FI account group. So this is account group. That's why I have mentioned FI account group. Now, next is number ranges, assign number ranges to account groups. Create number ranges. I have to see which number range is available with external, because customer account groups or customer master data are not made in FI anymore or in SD. They are made from a central console element. Okay. So I can use 4749. This is external. Okay. Or I can use because this is also external. Okay. So what I'll do, I can assign 47. Save. Okay. Cross application. In cross application, what we'll do now, this is the central console, SAP business partner. From here, business partner, basic settings, number ranges and groupings. Over there, we had account group. Over here, we have groupings. Number ranges, intervals, 47, same number, 4719 is the last that was used. So our will be 4720. Okay. Define groupings and assign number ranges. Okay, new entries, T74R. T74R grouping. Now this grouping is basically to show that this is coming from central component. T74R regular grouping 047 047. Okay, internal standard grouping, this is necessary, save. Okay, internal standard, without any standard, we'll save it, save, and then internal standard grouping, save, saved. Okay, this is done. Now, next part is basic settings is done. Now comes master data synchronization between finance and the central component. Okay, because we are right now in cross application, which is central component. Okay, now master data synchronization, customer vendor integration, business partner settings for customer integration, set VP role category, and field assignment. Define number assigned for direction BP to customer. Define number assigned for direction customer to BP. Let's check both. Okay. New entries. Our group and grouping are the same. T74 R, T74 R. Grouping from central component. Regulars from FI account group. Same numbers. Number range is same. Okay. Save. Number ranges for grouping T74 and account group are different. How come? Okay, let me just check. Oh, okay. 47. P74R, P74R. Now it is done. Okay, it's done. BP. BP is for business partner, organization. In organization, we will take a business partner which is generalized. Company 14 group 74. This is your customer. Okay. So time P74. P74. Okay. Country AE. Language is English and save. Now these are the fields that you can hide, suppress, make regular or required. 4715 is created. I was expecting 20, but somehow it has moved back to 4715. But it's created. Okay. Switch between display and change. And now what I'll do is FI customer standard. Now it will ask me for, wait a minute. It didn't ask me for account grouping. Let me make another one. PP organization. Okay, grouping I didn't check at that time. Okay, let's go for P74R. Now this is grouping from central component. Okay. P74 regular grouping. Group P74. Okay. AE P595 English save 4716. Okay, 4716 is our customer. Now it is a generalized customer. Now we'll make a standard customer. Okay. And with standard, it will show the company code. Okay. Is it a VIP customer, undesirable customer, postal city, postal code? Postal code is 3595. Abhi. And company code. Company code is P74. Enter. Now it will require a reconciliation account. If we have a reconciliation account, we don't have it right now. Okay. Sort key. What is a sort key? A sort key is very important for reconciliation purposes. Okay. I will try to find out customer number 031, and this will be used through sales order, invoicing, billing. This will be used as a basis for reconciliation. Okay. Rest, everything is okay. We need a reconciliation account. We don't have that. Let me try to add one. If we don't, it does not exist. So we need to create chart of accounts. Okay. So we'll go to SPRO. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, deal accounts, preparations, uh, assigned company chart of accounts, P74. P74 will assign 42 AAA42, save, save. Okay, this is done. Global settings, ledgers, fields, assign company code to field status variants. This is also an important step. So we can legalize chart of accounts assignment. Company code P74. Field status variant, let's keep it by default 0001. Fiscal year posting periods, assign company code for fiscal year variant. This is also an important step. So we can align our chart of accounts as per our fiscal year. Okay, so we'll take the default K4, which is January to December. So our entries will start from January till December and close in December. Save. Posting period, assign variants to company code. Okay. P74, variant 8842. Save. Save. Okay, done. Next step is OKKP. New entries, P74, or we'll make a controlling area. This is again for finance side, so no worries about that. Protein group, cross company code, which means we can make multiple company codes to report to controlling area. Controlling area has a higher precedence. Okay, group currency, no, not group currency, USD, P74, INT. Now, this is cost center standard hierarchy. Again, from finance side, if you don't understand, doesn't matter. Cost center hierarchy, basically, it lists down all the cost centers in a hierarchy, and that we're naming it with the same convention. This is financial statement version now. Financial statement versions are basically either UK-based, US-based, accounting standard-based. Okay. So that is a version that will be available for international formats. Save. Okay, it says that 74 hierarchy is not available. Should it be made? Yes. It's made. Okay, activate control indicators. New entries 2024. Cost centers will be active. Sales order cost objects. Order management. Yes, we will have sales orders. So order management will also be active. Continue. Okay, this is done. Assignment of company codes. Now, this is again where we integrate company codes with controlling area, T74 for tiny group. We can add more if our fiscal year and chart of accounts are the same. Okay. Okay, is it done? Now, next step is SPRO. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, deal accounts, preparations. define the retained earnings account, T74. Okay, 8842. We will just copy this and make our own. Now, these are basically what is chart of accounts? A group of GL accounts grouped together. All the segments are grouped together and copy as T74, Control Y. Double A42 is assigned. Okay, okay. Double A42 define account group. Account group is already assigned. Retained earnings account, chart of accounts. Double A42. Double A42 we have our retained earnings account. Okay. Now let's go and make a GL account. $20,000 T74. Okay. Retained earnings account. Save. Field status groups. Okay. Field status group. Post automatically only save. Okay. T74. So we have one account that we have already made. Now what we'll do, um, 8842. This is the company code we have copied our chart of accounts from. Okay. And we'll go for recon accounts, customer recon. Now this is for local vendors, we'll make it for customers. Okay. Okay, reconciliation account, copy 60, 100, P70, P74, reconciliation accounts, control data, customers. Okay, type description, recon account, regular customer, regular customers. Okay, save. Oh, node not found. Okay, we have already made this 6100 and 6100. Reconciliation account, regular customers, save. Okay, 6100 is made. Now what we'll do, switch between display and change. Now we'll go for SD customer. SD customer standard. Over here, it will go for sales and distribution. 15 group, T74. Rest all of the things are okay. Sales and distribution. Distribution channel. Now this is important, okay? Um, T74 sprays. Distribution channel. Okay, division is also picked up automatically. So this customer will be for sprays. Okay. And customer sales office. And with division and distribution, it has picked up Dubai. Okay. Sales group, again, it will default what we have configured. So that is the reason we configure all this first before going for front end. Okay. E74, account at customer. What is the account name at customer? What is our name at account customer? Okay. Okay. Rounding off unit of measure group, we don't need that. Pricing group, pricing list, and rest, all is okay. So with just one number range, we have three instances of a customer in FI, in SD, in generalized. Okay. Generalized is centralized. Okay. So this was our today's lecture.